Happy Tuesday to everyone. Quick video today about the two special cases, the two special situations, if you will, that happens when we have substitution or when we get to it tomorrow, elimination. Okay? So what's going to happen here is you're going to set up substitution like normal. Okay? Well, that's fine. We can handle that. We can knock that out. Okay? So I would look at this one and I would say, oh, this one really doesn't have a very good one to solve. So let's solve this top one for x. And so I would say that this would be 3x then equals 6y plus 14. And then I would say, oh, okay, that's not bad. Divide everything by 3. And so I would get here, if I divided that by 3, that by 3, and that by 3. So let me move this one down just a little bit. We would get here x equals 2y plus 14 thirds. That's fine. We can handle that. We're okay with it, even though it's a fraction. And then we're going to put that into the other equation. Negative 6x. We're already going to have to go down a little bit on that. Negative 6. Oops, and x. Tap the brakes, Linz. Come on. Negative 6 times x. And x is 2y plus 14 thirds. Then plus 12y equals negative 16. If I distribute in this negative 6 here, I would have negative 12y. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2 times 14 is negative 28 plus 12y, and that would equal negative 16. Well, here's where the special situation happens in that negative 12y plus positive 12y makes 0. So we get negative 28 here equaling negative 16. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a false statement. And that is where we have an issue because we don't have a variable for which we can solve. Okay? So when you have the variables drop out, and it's a false statement, we call that in the business then a no solution answer. Those lines would never cross. So that is a no solution case. The variables have to go away, and it has to be a false statement. Okay? Other situation, again, solve one of them for a variable. Let's just pick this top one for x. So we'd have 2x equals 4y plus 13. Divide everything by 2. Gives me x equals 2y plus 13 halves. Plug that back into the other original equation. Negative 2 times 2y plus 13 halves plus 4y equals negative 13. Distribute negative 4y minus 13 plus 4y equals negative 13. Again, here is that special situation right there. But this time, now I get negative 13 equals negative 13, and that is a true statement. And since that is a true statement, with the variables dropping out, that would become an infinite solutions case. Okay? So if the variables drop out when you go to after you've done your substitution, that first substitution, variables drop out. If it's true, it's infinite solutions. If it's false, it's no solution. Okay? Variables cancel out, results in a true sentence, infinite solutions. Variables cancel out, results in a false sentence or statement or equation, no solutions. If the variables don't cancel out at all, that's when we go on and we get that point. Okay? We find that point where they intersect. That's all I got for you today. I told you it would be a short video. Thanks for playing along. You can continue to, if you haven't turned in last week's homework yet, make sure you get that turned in. If not, do 2 of the 4 on the front side of this week's worksheet. Have yourselves a great, grand, and wonderful day.